Welcome back, guys, and I'm coming to do a video for you. I purchased some replica items. It's my first time purchasing replica items. There's a reason why I did it. I don't have any judgment against replica or non-replica items. To each its own. It's what fits your budget. I'm not judgmental at all. I don't mind purchasing replica purses, not purses, wallets, coin purses, pouches, and stuff like that because they're mostly inside the purse and they're not used as much as the actual purse. But this time I purchased a replica purse. So we are going to check that out. What are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Okay. Well, you're shaking the camera, so stop walking so hard. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the replica purse. And we're going to compare it. This is a Louis Vuitton purse that I purchased, the Speedy 30. See how it looks. So this is what it looks like. I'm just opening it with you guys, as you can see. It does have the Louis Vuitton symbol on the side. It has the LV on the zipper. It does have the Louis Vuittons here, and it has the Louis Vuittons here. I do have a lock, and I'm assuming that the key is on the inside somewhere. Yes, the key is in here. The key is in the zipper part. So here is the inside of the purse. And I do have a strap. Now, I don't have a purse to compare this actual purse to. My other Louis Vuitton purse that is authentic. Oh, it even has the little Louis Vuitton thing. Now, one thing, Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. It does not have, as far as I can tell, any numbers, this one is my authentic Louis Vuitton. I only carry this when I'm going to special events or out of town. That's just me. It just costs entirely too much for me to carry it every day, which is why I wanted another bag to switch bags and carry every day. And the authentic one, yeah, see, the authentic one is stamped. It has numbers, SD code, and everything like that. I think I'm going to take, I couldn't find a insert for the other one, so I think I'm going to take the insert out of this one and put it in that one just to use for now. I did actually already have the Louis Vuitton pouchlet here that I keep in here. So this is the authentic one, but I can't really compare it to this one because the patterns are different. So I can't really do a comparison video. I don't really know. I would have to have this same bag to compare. I can tell you basically like the stitching. I can tell the difference in the stitching on this one. I can also tell the difference in the weight on this one. Even though I have stuff in here, I can tell the difference in how this one feels, the quality of the leather and how it is. I can tell the difference versus my authentic one. I do have a purse charm to go on this one as well. The other thing that I purchased, and it doesn't match the bag, but I really don't care because I switch bags so much that it doesn't have to match the bag. I purchased a Louis Vuitton checkbook. Now this one came with the bag. This one came with cards. Surprisingly. I mean, they went out of their way to try to make you feel like it is authentic, but it's not. Even the box came in a cloth. And this is the, and it's not the same color as the Louis Vuitton purse. This is the black one. But like I said, I don't mind because I switch purses so much. I wanted to be able to just pull out a Louis Vuitton, you know, checkbook cover. So this is what the inside looks like. And upside down. It has a Louis Vuitton there. I can put cards here. I can put cards here. And I'll probably put like store cards or medical cards here. I am looking for a Louis Vuitton card holder, but I haven't found one yet on the website. And when I do find it, someone's already gotten it. But my checkbook can go right in here. I guess you can also put There's a zipper area there, cash or something in there. I won't. I'm just basically mainly going to use this as a checkbook cover thing. That's basically what I'm going to use it for. I'm not going to use it for a wallet or money or anything, just for my checkbooks. I did order a coin purse from someone on the website. It's along this lines, so I'm waiting for that to come in, but I didn't want to wait to do the video for that to come in. So these are the two replica items. I got them from an AliExpress group on Facebook. You would just have to find it. I'll try to link it below, but when I do that, it doesn't let people join. The stuff goes so fast there. It's an AliExpress like resale book group page that I got it from. So these are the two things that I got. I ordered a coin purse that I'm waiting for, and I also ordered a planner, an agenda planner that I'm waiting for, and I will let you guys know when that comes in, and I will do a video on that. But these are the two replica things, my first two replica items that I bought. So we'll see how they hold up. We'll see how they last. This I'm not too worried about. It's just a checkbook cover. The purse, if it starts to tear or rip or anything like that, I don't know. This was $75. This was 25, I think. 25. I'll put it down below. All from this AliExpress group that has like Kate Spade, Tiffany, Louis Vuitton, Coach, Michael Kors. Everything in there is supposed to be high quality replica. They rate it by numbers like 1.1, budget bad, budget this, budget that, and you have to know the group to know if you're getting a budget item or if you're getting a high quality item. Like there are some replica bags on there for like $300. I ain't paying $300 for no replica. But according to them, those are the high quality, close to authentic, whatever. If it's replica, you ain't getting $300. That's just how I feel, okay? So I just wasn't paying that. So it took me a while to get one because I kept waiting for the price that I wanted to pay for a replica bag. And that's what I paid. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know if you buy replica. Let me know, you know, how it worked out for you, if you like the items. And I'll see you guys in the next video.